welcome back to another Bochiknot Macrame DIY tutorial. So this week is Chinese New Year, and just in case you guys were wondering, yes, I am Chinese and my family does celebrate Chinese New Year. It is usually the biggest celebration for the Chinese and other Asian cultures that also celebrate it. So Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar, and that's why it usually occurs a few weeks to a month after our usual calendar year. It symbolizes new beginnings and fresh starts, and it's usually a time to get together with family to celebrate and pray to your ancestors. There's also a few taboo things you're not supposed to do during the first few days of Chinese New Year, like no showering, no cleaning the place, because that means that you will wash away your good luck. It's all very fascinating, and I'm very excited to be celebrating it this year. And in the spirit of Chinese New Year, I wanted to give you guys some luck. So earlier this week, I had released the Chinese good luck knot. And so in today's tutorial, we'll be taking that good luck knot and applying it into a tassel that you can hang up or carry around with you for good luck. The project shouldn't take long to do. It should be about half an hour depending on your skill level. And so give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm curious to know if you guys celebrate Chinese New Year too, and what your thoughts are on it. Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And with that, let's begin. Start with one 100 centimeter long cord, folded in half to make a good luck knot. Once you have folded the cord in half, make 3 separate loops on the loop end. We will now make a crown knot with the 3 loop ends plus the 4th bottom end. Taking the top loop, fold it down to the right, and then take the right loop and fold it over to the left. Take the bottom ends and fold it over to the top. And then lastly, take the left loop and fold it over to the right, leaving it under the loop end at the top. Pull on all 4 ends to tighten the knot. Now repeat that knot one more time, folding the top down, right over, bottom up, and left through the top loop. Pull on all 4 ends to tighten the knot. There should be 4 smaller loops on the corners of the knot. Pull on them to loosen up the loops. This is the Chinese good luck knot. Now take a bead with at least a 4 millimeter hole and thread both cord ends through it. Then taking both cord ends, make one overhand knot underneath the bead, leaving about 1 centimeter of space. If you are unfamiliar with any of the knots made in today's tutorial, you can check out my 50 knots and sennets tutorial on my Bochiknot Macrame channel, or you can download the free 50 knots and sentence ebook from bochiknot.com. We will set this pattern aside for now and come back to it later. Now, taking 8 strands of 45 centimeter long cords each, we will separate it into 2 groups of 4 cords, and we will make a cross, one group vertically and then one group horizontally. And then we will start making a crown knot, folding the top section downwards, the right section to the left, and then the bottom section upwards, and then the left section over to the right and through the top loop. Then pull on all 4 ends to tighten the knot slightly. Then in the center, separating the cords evenly, make a hole. Take the pattern that we set aside and we will weave the cord ends through the hole in the middle. We will then tighten the 4 ends of the crown knot, ensuring that the overhand knot from the Chinese good luck knot tassel is right underneath the crown knot. Continue pulling on the cord ends from the crown knot to tighten the knot. Taking 1 strand of cord at 45 centimeters long, use it as a working cord to make a gathering knot right underneath the crown knot. Wrap the cord end around several times before placing the cord end through the loop. Cut off the excess working cords from the gathering knot. Pull on the vertical cords to even out the tassel and the knot from above. Now we will take 1 strand of cord at 15 centimeters long and use that as the anchor cord while we take 7 cords at 40 centimeters each and attach them onto the anchor cord using lark's head knots. There should be one 40 centimeter cord remaining. Don't attach that onto the anchor cord just yet. Once all 7 cords are attached onto the anchor cord, we will now wrap it around the tassel right underneath the crown knot and on top of the gathering knot. Taking the 2 ends, we will make one overhand knot, and then we will take the 40 centimeter strand of cord and make a lark's head knot on top of the overhand knot. Tighten the lark's head knot and also tighten both ends of the anchor cord. Tuck both anchor cord ends underneath with the rest of the vertical strands of cord. Then taking another strand of 45 centimeter cord, make one last gathering knot right underneath the lark's head knots. Cut off the excess working cords. Pull on the vertical cords to tighten the knot and even out the strands. Last but not least, trim the bottom fringe of the tassel to your desired length. And we are now complete with the Chinese good luck knot tassel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Best of luck for 2020, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more macrame content. See you guys next time.